Okay, ISO Speed, what's the first ingredient that we would need?
We need to get the frozen chicken.
Frozen chicken.
We need to go to the frozen chicken part.
Frozen chicken. Where the fresh chicken at? Alright, how much you know bet he knows you because he's black? But not. Yes or no? Yes or no? Ready? Ready, say, watch this.
Alright, bet.
Hey, excuse me, bro. The chicken is?
Don't get too close. Don't get too close.
My fault. It's my security. My fault. Sorry. What's good, bro?
Don't get too close.
What up, bro?
What's going on with you?
What's good? What's good? What's good? Do you know where the fresh chicken is at? The raw chicken? Why are you making the security face? That's what they do. Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Like, I want to make some fried chicken today, so that's why I can get the meat.